This is our mini Riemann ritual for quick, easy, and effective hydration. Start with the Snow Enzyme Cleanser for clean and refreshed skin. Apply this to your face, massage it in, and gently wash off with lukewarm water. Now it's time to Boo Booster Serum Booster. Apply the Dermatology Booster EX to infuse your skin with powerful products for intense hydration. After boosting, apply 4 to 5 drops of the Dermatology Serum EX to nourish your skin with potent actives. Spray the booster a second time after using the Dermatology Serum EX for the ultimate hydrating experience. Complete the regimen with the Active Clean EX. Apply a generous amount for that classic Riemann glow.